Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to view threads without an account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So what you need to do is head over to your app store and then download threads. And once you have downloaded the app, what you need to do is open up the app. And once you open up the app, here on your screen what you'll be asked is to link your Instagram account. Now keep in mind that without your Instagram account you won't be able to create your Threads account. So basically without Instagram account there is no possible way to use the Thread app. So what you need to do is link your Instagram account by simply heading over to your Instagram, then tapping on your profile icon, and then tap on the three horizontal bar icon on the top right corner, scroll down, then tap on threads. And once you do that, all you gotta do is link your Instagram account to threads, which will let you to use the threads account smoothly. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.